In this short video, we're going to answer the question of how do you safely create nested directories in Python? And as usual, there's a new school way of doing it, which we're going to start gravitating toward, and then there's an older school way of doing it in previous versions of Python. So let's start with new school. So it's pathlib library, and it's mkdir, make directory. And that came around in Python 3.5. Very simple. We're going to go from pathlib, import path. I'm going to use a directory string here so that I can use it in two places. And then we're going to simply do make directory after passing in that nested dir that isn't there into path. And we do parents is true, so it creates all the way up the tree. And then exist OK is true, meaning if you call it a second time, it's not going to blow up on you. So here we go. And let's go check over here. Oh, here's our nested that isn't there. Well, it is now. Okay, so let's go back. Now, what would happen if we ran this again? Nothing, because we said it's okay if it exists. All right, let's say you're using a little bit older version of Python. You have OS make dirs directories. Now, in version 3.4, they came out with this switch, exist OK is true. Otherwise, you've got to put this in a try except block in case you've already created that directory. But let's run it. We know it's there. Let's see what happens. It's good to go. Now, if we take out this exist OK is true, and then we run it, we're going to get an error. So we would have needed a try catch block there for older versions. But we have it, so we're good to go. So that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit like. It helps me build an audience here, and I'll be doing more of these videos answering the how-to of Python.